Ben? Nak. Relax lang.
Naninigas si kuya, hirap sa paghinga.
Tsaka kahit po yung...
Kumbaga wala siya sa sarili talaga.
Nung time na binubuhat namin siya,
Matigas pa din.
oo, matigas pa din siya. Kung mapapansin yun, basta naka-straight siyang ganun. Kaya binubuhat namin siya kahit sa ulo, sa puso namin. Hanggang sa paglabas ng pinto, hanggang sa sa sasakyan. Inaano nga na, kuya, bubating ka lang namin kuya. Kumbaga, inaalala namin siya kasi anytime baka mamaya kung ano mangyari, hindi natin masasabi.
Bali ma'am, nakahiga lang siya nang nakaramdam siyang hirap sa paghinga. Yung pamamanhid po kasabay lang ng hirap.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing fine right now. My name is Doc Junes. I am a rehab practitioner. And to give you guys a simple context of who I am basically one of Sir Gabin's biggest fan. I was here when he and his family visited Cagayan de Oro. And I have also been watching his vlogs every day, like every meal, no, para lang jud malingaw ko. And earlier, I was able to watch the vlog that they had for the day, and it came to my mind nga niabot na jud ang time kay sige mo una sa una, what if dili giunsa kaya ni Gabin kaniyahang posting daily, when in fact there's a lot of thinking going on, there's a lot of planning going on. Daghan gi huna-huna, daghan ang pamaagi sa pagplastar ani, and I understand and I know how hard it is to do that because content creation is really not easy. Kung buto na dili jud siya sayon nga lihok. And it is very sad and kinda sad to actually see na si Sir Gabin mismo nag uh, nag nagaproblema kaganina, no? It is very hard to see that Sir Gabin was having a hard time earlier. So I don't have the exact context of what was really going on, but based on the video and based on how I would see it, it seems like that Sir Gabin was actually experiencing a panic attack. So for this video, atong tubagon kung sabay na aning ginatawag na to na panic attack and why does it happen, no? Now, the brain that we have, our brain actually responses to different stressors, different triggers normally, no? Kaya og cope up sa ato ang self, kaya og manage sa ato ang brain ang mga stressors nga gaabot sa ato ang kinabuhi. Now, at its core, kung buto na unaon, kaning panic attack is actually a case of a mistaken identity by the brain, by the body's survival system. Because gaka misinterpret sa to ang brain ang normal amount of stress into like a life-threatening stress. So if mahitabo na siya, it will actually be like a flipping switch, no? Mahimo ni siyang switch nga mo mo think sa mo maghatag sa imong brain og thought nga you are actually under attack or there is a life-threatening condition in a way nga naadayon mga discomfort nga mahitabo like mo taas ang imong heart rate, mo paspas ang imong ginhawa or technically maglisod ka og ginhawa and sington dayon ka. So yung ana ang case, yung ana ang possible case nga na experience si Gavin. And this false alarm is actually a built-in defense mechanism, no? Kaning ginatawag nato nga fight and flight mechanism sa ato ang lawas, wherein it is designed to really save a life of a person. So it's like if naay mo kalit og attack sa imong ero or any animal for that matter, no? Ang imong lawas is like mo rush in siya og adrenaline para mahimo kang kusgan to defend yourself or strong enough to really run hard, no, para at least ma-defend mo yung self, like mo survive ka, no? So that's the fight and flight response. Now let us remember na during the panic attack, the exact survival system is being triggered, although wala man jay physical danger na ga-exist, no, but the brain thinks that there is, so it's technically a false alarm kung both una-unaon. And it releases a wave, no, of chemical changes that would change again the the symptoms that you have. Katong gipangingon ka ganina, like paspas kayo ang atong heartbeat or na mga shortness of breath or grabe na kayo ang singot, no, in a way that would really allow the person to think na ay danger ng gakahitabo sa iya. So what sets off this panic attack? Number one, Jude, is chronic stress. And chronic stress is something that is somehow deceiving, no? Kay if you take a look at Sir Gavin, dili jud mo makita niya stress kayo siya kay syempre sige pakatawa, sige sila lingaw-lingaw sa iyang mga igsuon or daghan kaayo blessings nga gaabot sa ilaha, but behind those cameras there's actually an existing stress. I may not be able to lay down on the table kung saan sila nga mga stress, but if the stress is being collected, no, into more, no, mahimo na din siyang ginatawag na to nga burnout, wherein dili nagakakaya sa normal coping mechanism nato or normal defense and coping mechanism nato to survive on its own, no. Dili na dayon mabuo ang ginatawag nato na panic attack. And of course, counted na po nato ang mga physical sensations like a sudden change in the body, no, for example like na ay existence of of caffeine, no, or na ay mga lightheadedness nga feeling, no, it will add on to the changes. And of course kaning ginatawag nato ng mga genetics and brain chemistry na if there is a more sensitive flight or fight idea and then ang imuhang brain chemistry has or is reacting into a very very sensitive kind of reaction, then dira dayon mo cause ang ginatawag nato nga panic attack. So a good reminder lang jud ani, no, is that we need to understand that it's not easy to live in this world, no. So knowing that and understanding nga dili sayon mabuhi diri sa kalibutan, do not carry the weight of the world in your shoulder, no. Dapat ideally dili jud mo dapat dalon on your own kaning problema sa kalibutan, because if you do that, mabugatan na gyapon ka, no. You will have a hard time carrying this one. And it's important that you need to have a family system or a family support para at least makakope up ka sa problems nga ma-encounter nimo day to day. Let us always remember as well na importante kayo nga mo stop and pause, no, matud pa sa isa ka chocolate commercial, take a break, no, importante kayo na siya when everything is so stressful, when everything is so messed up, or when everything is so busy, it's really okay to take a break, because taking a break will help you refocus yourself into moving forward, into someone who could put a direction into the things that he is doing. And of course, let's also and always remember that everything that we feel is valid. No? So, dapat ang support system sa family would also be able to recognize na valid na jud ning kapuyon ta, or valid jud gyapon ning daghan tag gakabatian nga problema, and we need to take a pause. And if naa jud ang family support, is important jud nga mangumusta, no? Mangumusta kung saan siya karon, are things doing okay with work, with friends, with relationships, those kind of stuff. Because even that simple pangumusta, it will help the person express himself, vent out all the problems, and if there is an expression, if he is able to express out all the problems that he has, then he is able to give out the stress nga iyahang gipang-agi karon. So ang question karon, what do you do if the panic attack happens? Now, if this is not the first time nga nagka-panic attack ka, the first thing that you need to do is to remind yourself that it is a false alarm. Now, you need to just think na kani siya is temporary and you are just experiencing a false alarm of your survival instinct. Ang number two nga pwede nato buhaton is to have a good breathing exercise to extend the exhale more. So the best way to do it, no, and in order for you to be able to focus, is to inhale and then pause for a bit and then exhale. So technically, you take charge of the breathing. So you do it repeatedly, inhaling, taking a pause, and exhaling. And if that doesn't work, syempre, let's also consider that the brain that we have here needs oxygen. So you could always make use of a paper bag and put it covering the mouth and the nose, no? And then again, same thought, control the breathing, no? Kay imbes nga magpaspas ka o ginhawa, you set your mind, no, to really just control the inhaling and the exhaling part, no? And just repeatedly do it, and it will allow you to control more the survival instinct that you have. Number three is what we call to ground yourself in the room. So there is this 3-3-3 rule na pwede jud kayo nimo buhaton, no? Number one is to name three things nga nasa imong palibot. No? So you can just point out to the chair, to the table, to the lampshade. You can just say that. And second, you could also do a listening test, like you name three distinct sounds that you are currently hearing when the panic attack is happening. So you could like say that you're hearing the clock na gatik, no, or the air conditioning or the fan moving. No, you could name three things to help you realize that everything is okay, everything is normal. And with that, number three is you could start to like just move three parts of your body. So you can just start moving your finger, or start like moving your head a bit, no, or like wiggling your toes, or closing your palm and opening it, no, just for you to be able to test and allow your body and brain to realize that everything is okay. No, you should not be alarmed. And number four is to stop aggressively fighting the panic attack itself. Kaya kung imo amgong pugso ng imong self na kaya bitaw like pugson jud nimo nga okay ra ka and all, it will actually increase the panic instinct sa imong brain, causing more trouble, causing more kanang raising of the heartbeat, no, the sweating and the breathing problem. So you need to take a moment to really relax and control your breathing in order for you to be able to correct it. So to end this video, I pray and hope that Sir Gabin will be okay. And I'm not just saying this for the Kapinpin family, but I'm also praying and hoping sa mga tanang tao nga nakadungog or nakapaminaw ani. I'm really hoping and praying that you are okay right now. And if you're not, please take a break and express yourself. Allow others to listen to you. And of course, always value the peace of mind. God bless.
Keep going.